न्यूज प्रोग्राम में आपका स्वागत है। आज चर्चा का विषय है द पिनाका रॉकेट। इट इज बीन डेवलप्ड बाय द DRDO एंड सक्सेसफुली टेस्ट फायर्ड ऑफ द उड़ीसा कोस्ट। Pinaka rocket is an indigenous rocket. It has been developed by Defense Research and the Development Organization. This rocket been successfully test fired from that multi-barrel rocket launcher, that is MBRL, at ITR Chandipur in Odisha. This rocket is an extended range version, that is ERV. Along with this Pinaka rocket, that enhanced range rocket, that is 122 mm rockets, were also been test fired and they all met their objective. These enhanced range rockets have the range they can destroy up to the target of the 40 kilometers and have been developed for that army. The system will replace that 120 mm grade rockets. Now about the Pinaka rocket can destroy up to the range, that is the target up to the range of the 45 kilometers. Both the Pinaka rocket and 122 mm rockets were developed by that is Armament Research and the Development Establishment and High Energy Material Research Lab with the Economic Explosive Limited. So friend, the development will increase the capability of our defense forces. So this is all about the today's session. Jai Hind.